What's up, YouTube? So I was finally able to get my hands on this DeskMini X300, which is a Ryzen 2nd gen by AsRock. This company makes good products, and so I thought I'd give it a good old review for you here on YouTube. So you can buy it from Newegg, Amazon, different places. Usually runs about 169 bucks. Comes in this box here, and as we go to unbox this, these are little APU machines, so no graphics card required. Obviously, they all carry it within the AMD CPU. So inside the box here, you get your typical stickers and things that AsRock will give you. CDs, which who uses those anymore, right? So yeah, inside this box, you'll get the typical stuff that comes with, every computer and an external power supply. Just look how tiny this thing is. I mean, it fits in your hand. So it's super small, super compact, and in my opinion, one of the better form factors out there, an STX form factor rather than a mini ITX. So this is it with all the wrapping off of it. And you see on the front here has a USB 3.0, USB 3.2, microphone, headphone, and then flip it around to the back here, and there's also your power button on that one. Going around to your back, you have your power input, your display port, HDMI, VGA, Ethernet, USB 3.0, and also USB 2.0. So it really has a lot of features for what you're looking to do with it. Good little mini PC that is a workhorse. So there you have it, small form factor, and it's ready to go, much like the Intel NUC. Forgot to tell you in full disclosure that nobody's reviewing this video. Nobody sees it before I post it, but this is the AsRock Mini X300. In the box, you get your Wi-Fi antenna, CPU fan, multiple different sizes of screws, and feet for the bottom. How you take it off is you simply unscrew these 4 screws in the back, and the tray slides out, and it's ready to accept your DDR4 RAM. The best things that you can get are the 2 of them. So in this one, I'm going to put 16 gigabytes of DDR4 dual channel 3200 megahertz. So here's a couple of the features of it. You have your AMD AM4 socket, and it comes with all these features. What I was most impressed with was the M2 slots. I mean, you can add 4 hard drives in here if you wanted to. So 2 2.5s, and then the other ones. So here's it all assembled with the fan that is included with it, the Wi-Fi module underneath, my M2 that I bought, 256 megs, or gigabytes, which isn't much anymore. And then you have your Wi-Fi antennas that also come included. That it's an awesome little setup. So anywho, go down to the bottom, like, subscribe if you like this content and want some more of it, as I'll be doing more unboxing and videos. Until next time.